Welcome back, folks. Greg Silverman here. Chilly background behind me, the Wyoming tundra. No, okay, anyway. Uh, Interesting article, quite timely here. Let's read it together. Another come learn with me session. Gold price jumps as US warns Russia could attack Ukraine any day. This was from February 11th, so that was 2 days ago. The gold market saw a sudden move higher on Friday afternoon after the US said Russia could launch military action in Ukraine any day. Any American in Ukraine should leave as soon as possible and in any event in the next 24 to 48 hours. US President Joe Biden's National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan said during a press briefing, conflict could begin during the Olympics, despite a lot of speculation that it could only happen after. There is a credible prospect that a Russian military action would take place even before the end of the Olympics. The US does not know whether Russian President Putin has made any official orders, but it may well happen soon, according to Sullivan. There are a number of military options Russia could take, according to the US. I can't obviously predict what the exact shape or scope of the military action will be, Sullivan said. It can take a variety of forms. It could be more limited, it could be more expansive, but there are very real possibilities that will involve the seizure of a significant amount of territory in Ukraine and the siege of major cities, including the capital city. Wowzers. In response to the news, gold prices surged more than $20, with April COMEX gold futures lost 1857, up more than 1% of the day. The 1,850 an ounce level was critical one to test and reach, and according to analysts, if this level holds, it could open the door to more gains. Gold could breach the $1,900 an ounce level if there is military action, said Oanda, senior market analyst Edward Moya. Gold surged after PBS reported that the US believes Russian President Putin has decided to invade Ukraine and communicated those plans to the Russian military. Gold could rally above the 1900 level if troop movements occur. Gold traders would not want to be short heading into the weekend, Moya said. On the other hand, the US stock market suffered further losses, with the Nasdaq dropping 2.6%, the S&P down 1.9%, and the Dow falling 1.5%. Bitcoin also tumbled along with stocks falling with other risky assets. At the time of writing, Bitcoin was last at $43,054.80, down nearly 4% on the day. Now, Bitcoin's not providing much in the way of, let's call it volatility insurance, right? There are more than 100,000 Russian troops stationed near the Ukrainian border, and for the next 10 days, Russia will be holding military exercises in Belarus and the Black Sea. Russia has repeatedly rejected US statements that it plans to invade Ukraine, adding that NATO is the one aggravating the security situation by considering Ukrainian membership in the military alliance. There you have it. Gold is definitely the winner on the Ukraine-Russia front. So, well, let's just have to wait and see. We are big believers that we are actually in a golden bull market, gold and silver bull market right now. If you'd like to hear more or see more of what we do, take a look at the LinkedIn mini groups down below. There's one for gold and silver where we're specifically tracking investments in that space. Again, not for the faint-hearted, quite a volatile space as we look at some of the little gold and silver mining stocks. If you are a fund or a company in that space and you'd like to reach our accredited investor network, take a look below, and there's another program for you called Looking Over the Manager's Shoulder. There's a link there. And if you just want to know generally how we invest and my philosophy and process around investments, take a look at our blog below. It's yours truly, gregsilverman.com. So a lot of food for thought if you're interested in the investment sphere like we are, totally captivated by it. I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe and like and join us again soon. Greg Silverman, out for now.